What is going on, you guys? Galar Expert here, back on everything T.C.G with another unboxing. These three beautiful tins came out today or yesterday. As of this recording, I'm not sure when this is going to be going up, but they came out March 17th or 18th, so we're opening them today. My favorite is the Moltres one. This one right here, this promo card right here is my favorite, so we're going to be doing that one last. Each of these have 5 packs, so we're just going to get started right away, all right? So starting with the Zapdos tin. We've got the, I'm not even going to take any of them out of the package because I really like all of these promos, and I'm going to keep them in their promo stuff. So, I would like the cards to stay in the best condition until I can get them all PSA tested, because I kind of like collecting promo cards. Yeah, it does damage. Logan didn't know that Diva's thing can crush you when she's spawning her robot again. He found that out the hard way right just now. That's like something Bree does like on a regular to people. As a Diva main. Yeah. So we got a Radiant Eternatus on that one. That wasn't anything crazy for that pack. Angela, Beltoy, Galarian Meowth, Energy Revival, an Altaria, and a Zamazenta. Those Elite Trainer boxes are probably the best way to buy Crown Zenith anyway, bro. I've pulled 2 of those gold Dialgas. And I've only bought ETBs up until this point. Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Oddish, Wooloo, and an Enamorus. Pack number 4 of the first tin. Oops. Poniard, Bidoof, Potion, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Blossom, and a Blossom. No way. Is this going to be my first bust on Crown Zenith? Well, at least my first, like, you know, because I wasn't going to buy all 3, but then I kind of wanted all 3 of the promos, so. Damn, that happened 2 packs in a row. That's wild. Moving on to the Articuno tin. Hey, at least I got a couple more tins to use, though. Me and Caleb are thinking for the 200 special, we're going to do 100 Yu-Gi-Oh!, 100 Pokemon. Packs is what we're going to do. It's going to be a really long live stream. Well, we're still thinking on it. We're not too sure. Because we don't want to just, you know, like... Wouldn't it, though? Ooh, Turtwig. Nice. That's a nice Turtwig card. We're going to keep that. We're going to keep that in the good pile. Actually, I kind of want that Altaria I pulled, too. The Trainer Gallery, or the, whatever gallery. Oddish, Seal, Cricketot, Aaron, Baltoy, and a Snorlax. Man, all these packs are kind of busts. I'm not gonna lie. I've never had this many bad packs of Crown Zenith. Like, there's so many good cards in Crown Zenith that I'm shocked that I've pulled so many bad ones. Not that these are, like, terrible, but, like, I'm only getting, like, hollows. That makes me appreciate those 2 Dialga cards even more, dude. Last 2 for the Articuno box. Yeah, it was wild. 100 Pokemon for the 200 subscriber. It's gonna be wild. We're only at 106, so we're still a while off of that. So yeah, I have a second YouTube channel. If you didn't know that. Ooh, Radiant Charizard. Ooh, and a Charizard V. That's what's up. That Radiant Charizard's like a $12 card. Alright, and that is it for the Articuno box. Moving on to the best, in my opinion, of all the promos. Like, look at that. That's my favorite of the 3. The last 5. Shaman, Trekking Shoes, Switch, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Beltoy, Ilolisk. Ooh, Logan, yeah, I just did a leak video that I'm going to be uploading probably within the next couple of days for the new set that's coming out. It's super sick, bro. You know, like the Terrestrialize mechanic in the new game? There's quite a few cards that have that, and it's kind of cool. Ooh! We got our first V-Star. Ooh, and we got a Hollow Energy. I've been selling these like crazy, bro. These go for like $5 a pop. Yeah, but look at this Glaceon. So, hey, we at least, of course, my favorite set, like my favorite, what you call it, has the best cards in it. One of my favorite promo in it. Come on. Here, I'm gonna have to go into an open talkie thing because we're in a private call. Go into, I don't have him on Discord, so you're gonna have to invite him to a call. Hey, nice little Swablu. Ooh, and a Hollow Kyogre. That's what's up. We're gonna keep both of them. There we go. Second to last packs for the Moltres. Not tray, tin. Hey, Sharon's Care. That's what's up. We got a full art, an alt art full art at that. Why does this one have all the good cards? The Moltres box, Logan, the Moltres tin literally had like so many good cards in it. Last pack, look. Well, it had an alt art trainer card that I know goes for at least $20. It had the Radiant Charizard that's like $10. It's got it had that Glaceon in it. It's fucking wild, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. V-Star Energy in that last one. All right. All right, we're just going to go over these real quick, guys. We got Sharon's Care, Swablu, Kyogre, the Hollow Energy, the Glaceon, the Radiant Charizard, Charizard V, Altaria. All right, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell so your next video is out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.